pretty good at... Oh, Hey, it's Jamie here. Welcome back to my channel, Reviews by Jamie. Today I'm bringing back an old series I haven't done in a while, but it was something that I wanted to do when I started my channel years ago, so I'm just going to be continuing it. And it's going to be our beauty hacks, but this is going to be our fave or fail. So we're going to be testing out different kind of hacks or whatever. So I think I called it hack or hoax at one point. Yeah, but I don't like that anymore. So now it's going to be called Fave or Fail because it's just nicer sounding, I guess. So now my hair is super greasy today, but for a different reason. I actually washed it last night, straightened my hair, totally messed up. I put way too much product in it, so it's like so greasy. Now my hair, since I straighten it and it's naturally curly and stuff, when it's greasy, it just looks drier. I don't know why. I don't think anybody else has that issue, but for me it's just drier, so it's stiff, like it's not flowy. It's so greasy from product, and I'm not gonna wash it and re-straighten it. It took an hour to do this. I decided what I really could use is some dry shampoo and kind of like take the greasiness out of it. It feels disgusting. So here's what you're going to need. A bowl, baking soda. I had all this stuff in my house already, which was nice. Cornstarch, lavender essential oil, because it's optional, but why not, you know, relax a little bit. I found a fluffy brush that I haven't used before. It's a makeup brush to kind of apply it. I saw several people doing that. Some people were using like shaker bottles to shake it on, but I don't have a shaker bottle. Why do other people have shaker bottles? I don't know. Okay, next, plastic spoon, very formal. Okay, so what you're gonna do is put 1/4 cup of each of these in here. Now, is this like when you're cooking and you can kind of estimate? Because that's what I usually do, and that's what I want to do here. Ew. I think I'm pretty good at, I'm pretty good at estimating because when I'm dieting and stuff and watching my weight, I always have to like estimate food portions and stuff and ingredients when cooking, or amounts of cheese I'm gonna put on something. It's usually a 1/4 cup. So I'm pretty good at it. Oh, this one's much better. I'll try to make it even with the other one. Okay, that's good. Now some people were saying like 10 or 15 drops of lavender essential oil. That sounds like so much to me. So I'm not gonna do that many. Actually, this bottle may be almost out. Let me see. Alright, whatever. This is optional, so that's okay. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is stir up my mixture. Okay, now to take my hair down. It's going to look great out. Okay, so again, when my hair is greasy, it's just like stiff, not flowy. It does not look good at all. Because I just did my hair last night. It should be nice. It should be bouncy. It should be good. It's terrible. Okay, so one optional thing I forgot to mention for this, if you have dark hair, brown hair, dark hairs, you can add like a little bit of cocoa powder. So I'm not going to because that just sounds weird. And second of all, my hair's not so dark. I don't want cocoa powder in my hair. It just seems like it's going to get on furniture. So I don't know, maybe not. But since I had those two ingredients, I felt like this like distinguished baker that like always bakes, like, oh yeah, I always have that stuff in my pantry. I don't know why I even have it. Probably for random things like this. Okay, so next, you can either use your shaker bottle if you so happen to have one, or I don't know, I like the idea of using like this little fluffy brush because it sticks on here really well. Uh-oh. Maybe I did need the cocoa powder. When you have balayaged hair, that's kind of hard. Whatever, it'll fade away. It doesn't matter. Or does it? Okay. Once you get it on, it's gonna sit for like a couple minutes anyway, and then you're just gonna brush it out or comb it out. So if it looks a little white, it's all right. actually kind of relaxing to do in a way. It's not hard. How much am I supposed to put on my hair, by the way? Whoops. Okay, now I'm just gonna let it sit for another minute. Oh, wow, my pants are totally white. So let it sit, make sure it's in there good. So now I'm going to brush it out. Hopefully some of the white comes out. Okay, so it's all brushed out, and I think it made a difference, I think. What do you guys think? It's always easier for me to tell, like, once I have the footage and I'm editing it, but I think it did make a difference. It doesn't seem as stiff, and it looks a little less dry. I know it's weird. Mine gets dry. It just doesn't make any sense, but it doesn't look as dry as before. It looks a little, like, bouncier and healthier and stuff. So I think it did make a difference, actually. But I still feel, a lot of product and like greasiness to my hair, but I mean, it can't, you know, it can't possibly reverse what I did, but I feel like it was pretty good, and I don't really see it working any different than regular dry shampoo that you would buy. It's so much healthier for you. I totally recommend just making it yourself. I feel like if you have greasy hair and you just need some dry shampoo and you use this, it would be the same. I really think it would be. So definitely give it a try, and especially if you can put your lavender in it, you can just have like this like relaxing spa day for your head, and it'll be amazing. So I hope you like this series that I'm continuing right now. I have a couple other videos I did like similar, which was the Coca-Cola one, which was really good. You should totally watch that, and a few more. Leave comments down below for any more fave or fails that you want me to try out, and I will. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you soon. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, JamieCheryl_. See you later. Bye.